Good evening, everybody. We're live at 8:43 p.m. battling for Gary's blue painted helm Boba Fett. I'm going to copy this list on the way up before we take a quick look at her, at what we're playing for. Going to copy the list right now. Just going to take a scroll up here. Ooh, look at that sweet treat on a Friday night. Here we go. Going to paste the list in here. Should have 80 spots. And we do. Scrolling through them here. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got an 11. We couldn't be much more ready to go. As we get right down to the action. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Round 1. Sheldon, round 2. Matthew, round 3. Carlos, round 4. Matt, round 5. Sheldon again on top in round 6. Matt again on top in round 7. Steve, round 8. Sheldon again on top in round 9. Ross on top in our next to last round, round 10, which brings us to the ever important final round, in this case, round 11, which means our winner is Zach Brayman, in at number 32. Congratulations, Zach. Here's the verification code and official results for you guys. WCLEEW. Zach Brayman in at number 32 is the champ of this battle. And I'm done at 8:44. As you can see, there we have it. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Zach in at number 32. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a lot.